Welcome to another video on our ClassIn How-To series. Today we are going to be looking at creating and uploading folders. Once this video ends, you will be able to create a folder, upload a file to the created folder, and finally access that file. Starting on the home screen, let's go to the left and click on Drive to access our saved files. Usually we are always taken directly to our home files, so from here let's click on My Drive to access our personal saved folders. Let's start by creating a folder to upload our files to. Go to Create and select Folder. Type the name of the folder. I'm going to call mine New Blackboards and click Create. Now, let's go to our newly created folder and left-click to access it. As you can see, the folder is empty, so let's upload a file. To do that, go to Upload and select either a file or a folder. For this example, I'll be uploading a file from my computer's download files. Double-click on the file you want to upload and watch the magic happen. Wait for the notification to let you know the file is ready, and then click on it to open it. It's really as easy as that. Now you know how to create a folder, upload files to it, and open those files. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please share this video if it helped you. As always, for everything ClassIn and teaching related, keep it locked to Eureka ESL.